Here next door you have the Embassy of the Philippines here in Bangkok. Nice look on the swimming pool. So this unit is facing north, which means that you don't get sun, or you get little sun only half of the year. Big living room. Good afternoon. I'm here in Sukhumvit 30/1 at a building called Belgravia Residences. You know, it's always funny with these European names. It can be Belgravia, Belgravia. I will call it Belgravia. Belgravia Residences was constructed in 2008 and there are two towers. Both towers have 7 floors. And I'm here today to film a 4-bedroom apartment on the 3rd floor overlooking the swimming pool. So I'm happy for that. I already got my key cards. But first I will show you the facilities. A nice swimming pool here. This here on the 3rd floor is actually the unit that I have to film today. That building is the Waterford, which is next door. So every building has only 7 floors and there are 4 units per floor. At the Belgravia you will only find big family units, 4 bedrooms. So this is the gym area, overlooking the pool area as well. There's a kids corner here with a little basketball court, so your kid can become the new LeBron. Sawadee krap. So at the Belgravia, every unit has a private elevator access. So you just need the card to go to the room. The unit that I have to show here in the Belgravia is on the 3rd floor. 296 square meters. And the rental price, the asking price is 175,000 baht. Here next door you have the Embassy of the Philippines here in Bangkok. Nice look on the swimming pool. So this unit is facing north, which means that you don't get sun, or you get little sun only half of the year. Big living room. Kitchen includes a dishwasher and induction cooking plates. The laundry area with a big space in the back here as well. You can use for some storage. Yeah, bigger units like this, they also come with a maid's quarter. So you have the maid's room. And here at the entrance you have a shoe cabinet and some storage. So there are 4 bedrooms. I'll show you bit about that as well. So first here you have a powder room. Every bedroom has a private bathroom. Nice view on the swimming pool here. So let me show you the master bedroom. Nice bathtub. And a separate shower here, rain shower. Yeah, very nice unit. You have a walk-in closet. So Belgravia is located in Soy 30/1, and 30/1 is between the Thong and the Phrom BTS stations. Building here is the beatnik. So the Thong station is a bit in that direction. We have several units in this building, so if you're looking to move into this direction, then feel free to connect with Sukhumvit Homes. You can send an email to info@sukhumvithomes.com, and I will put our company details as well in the description. So feel free to connect with us through line, WhatsApp, email, whatever suits you better. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Belgravia. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.